After 16 years of marriage, famous Nollywood actor Ninalowo Bolanle has announced his separation from his wife, Bunmi. The couple reportedly met in 2004 and got married in 2007. They have 2 children together, a boy and a girl. The popular Nollywood actor, on Friday, disclosed that he had parted ways with his wife, Bunmi. In a lengthy post on his verified Instagram handle, @IamAno_B, the actor said he had finally accepted the reality of the end of a road. He, however, expressed optimism that the separation, which he described as sad reality, would give room and hope for a brighter and more fulfilling future. Ninalowo Bolanle says, "Finally I accept the reality of the end to a road. A sad reality that gives room and hope for a brighter and more fulfilling future. A reality that is sad for my loving and adorable children but necessary for a peaceful and lovable future. A sad reality I prayed, nurtured, and worked tirelessly hard never to experience for the sake of all. A sad reality I now have to accept as I realize that my kids are much grown with better sense of understanding and knowledge of my pain and struggles regarding them. A sad reality that screams that I won't live or be around forever and must take care of my health and mental state for the goodness of all. May God help me and reward me with all I truly deserve or punish me for all I have done wrong if that be the case. In the end we will all live with the consequences of our actions. Sad but real and true. Now I have to do and be better for the sake of the same children I fought so hard never to be separated from. The journey thus far only makes me stronger as I come to terms with what I truly need and deserve for all my relentless hard work and efforts in life. Heartbroken but not shattered, yet I stand tall as I break this sad but true news to the same world who adores my beautiful family, and I. My wife and I have decided to go our separate ways and headed for an irreconcilable marriage dissolution. Please respect our privacy and pray for us during this process as we heal and move on with our independent lives while jointly taking care of what we love most, our children. God bless all." Ninalowo Bolanle, also known as Nino, was born May 7, 1980. He is a Nigerian actor and film producer.